Hey guys, so I just joined Stampin' Up. There's having a promo right now where you can join Stampin' Up from October 1st to the 31st. So you're going to be getting $125 worth of supplies for only $35. Highly recommend that you do this, because you really do get tons of treasures for just $35. Now, I'm going to zoom in here. I'm going to be sharing the link with you on my comments, where a link. So you're going to go to Edith Gonzalez. You're going to go to Edith Gonzalez and you're going to type in the Crafty Stampers Den.Stampin'Up.net. And we're going to sign up with the Crafty Stampers Den, Edith Gonzalez. So now let's get to the fun part, unboxing my stuff that I just got. So I just got these 3 boxes here, and I took the liberty of opening the top up on this one. So I don't know what's in these boxes, but let's find out. Whoa, what's this? Oh, these are my little plates. This is actually my, let's see. There she is. I'm just throwing everything on the ground. Look how cute she is. My little die cut machine. Look at that. I'm making a mess. Oh my goodness. Come on, guys. You know this costs more than $35. Okay? And it comes with all the little plates. Oh, she's so cute. Mine broke, so I'm glad I have a new one. My original one. Not this brand, though. So now let's go to the next box. Let's see what we have going on in here. Oh, I think these are, it says catalogs. So with this purchase, you get all these supplies and starter stuff. So let's see what we have here. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Ooh, look at these gorgeous books. Catalogs. Let's see how many we got. Oh, it's the whole box is full of catalogs. Let's see. Yeah, so these are all the same catalogs. Wow. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 catalogs. This is wonderful. So my friends get ready to get a catalog and start ordering with me. So let's go see what's in the last box. Alrighty. Let's see what we have here. So like I said, Edith Gonzalez, the Crafty Stampers Den. And just go to the link, sign up. Oh, what is this? Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this. The Stampin' Up! Cut and Emboss. Storybook and Friends. Oh, this is the case. Let me put my little X-Acto knife down. And I got this beautiful set of little rabbits and little cutie patooties there. Then let's see what this is. Oh, these are your invited postcards where you can mail it out to friends and have a Stampin' Up! Party. Yeah. Guys, if you've never done Stampin' Up, I can't tell you how much fun it is. I'm not putting this one away yet, because I just remembered. So these are the stamps. And let's see if I can, how is this packaged? Okay. And these are the die cuts to that kit. So let's see who's in here. Let's see who came in here. all the frames. Look at that, the little bunnies and the frames. I love him. I love all of it. I'm getting excited. I hope you get as excited as I am so that you can also. So this is the stamps and these are the die cuts, which I'll be using with my new machine. Hello. And let's see what we have here. You get a free paper pumpkin. Let's see what paper pumpkin has for me today. 1 second. Yeah, you see how excited I am? You could be just as excited for $35. Do you know how much money is in here? My goodness, over $125 in my opinion, because you get everything to start your business. Let's see what this is. Let's see who's in here. Okay, let me put that there. So you get your little clear stamps. You're the greatest. I love you. Best dad ever. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Little birds. And what does this say? To a wonderful man. I guess this is for Father's Day. You are the world's, you mean the world to me. Then we get this beautiful little ink pad. This is Misty Moonlight. Let's see what's in the box. Everything is packaged so beautifully. Okay. Oh. So this is what we'll be creating with this. Mountain Majestic, and it has the instructions. It comes with everything to make these beautiful cards, envelopes, everything. Our tape, envelopes. The whole kit and caboodle comes in here. And like I said, you get the ink and the sentiments. Let's put this away. And let's see what else we have here. Pretty exciting. Love what you do. I don't know what this is, so let's see what it is together. Alrighty. Like I said, this is a live unboxing. Okay. Let's see what this is. Okay, so join my creative community, make a difference. Rewards, products, and community. Okay. That's this. Let's see what else is in the box. Because like I said, there's tons of stuff. Now, what's left in here? What is this? More catalogs. These are mini catalogs, and you get 2, 4, 6, 8. You get 8 catalogs as well. Well, guys, I hope I've inspired you. I hope that you've enjoyed my unboxing, and you go to the website, the Crafty Stampers Den. I'll go and look at it again for you. Make sure you see it. So here it is. Let me get that here. So it's Edith Gonzalez, the Crafty Stampers Den .stampinup.net. And like I was saying before, it is from October 1st to the 31st, and you get $125 for only $35. You could start being creative, inviting your friends over, having Stampin' Up parties, and just have a wonderful time in the Stampin' Up community and with friends and family creating your cards. So like I said, I'll provide the link below this video so that you can go there. And again, like I said, it's Edith Gonzalez, the Crafty Stampers Den. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the crafting community. Stampin' Up!